Hello children, how are you children? You all are well and fine? Okay, you all are well. So take care of your health children. Okay na? And we are studying on the online. We are sending online videos. You have to go through that and complete the given work in a time and send to the school mail ID. Okay na? So now children, you have to open your 7th class social studies textbook. Today we are going to learn chapter 9. Okay na? Your social study material and classwork also keep beside. When I am reading the lesson children, you have to concentrate in your textbook. Don't look here and there. Okay na? Now, the name of the chapter is here. 9th chapter. Chapter 9. What is the name of the chapter? Production in a factory. Production in a factory. Production in a factory. Which factory? A paper mill. A paper mill. So, which factory children? Production in a factory. Which factory? A paper mill. So, we are going to learn here a paper mill factory production, how it take place. Okay. What the material should be required. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn raw materials, paper mills and disappearance of bamboo. Next is process of paper making. So, these are the sub-chapters we are going to learn in this 9th chapter. So, as usually, I am calling your friend Afrin here for reading this lesson. So, she is model for you children. By listening or reading, you also develop your reading skills. Okay na? So, Afrin, come and read chapter 9 better, and you have to read louder and follow the punctuations. Okay na?
Hi friends, we will read today chapter 9, Production in a Factory, a Paper Mill. Handicraft production is done at home by small families with the help of some simple tools. In contrast, factories produce goods and on a large scale with the help of machines and a large number of workers. Let us find out how production is organized in large factories.
See better, factories should not do. Okay, we should not drag the words. Okay, when you are reading these textbooks, English means, you should not drag the words children. Now, how often read? In a large factories, don't drag like this. You have to read in a large factories. Okay, na?
In large factories.
We
use some much of paper in our day-to-day lives. Do you know how is the paper found in books, records, registers, progress reports and newspapers made? There are 2 paper mills in Telangana, that Sirpur, Kagasnagar, Komaramneem district and Bhadrachalam district. Raw materials. The material required to produce a commodity is called raw material. Factories require a large quantity and a continuous supply of raw material. You will find dozens of lorries supplying raw material to factories every day. Paper mill generally use wood from bamboo, eucalyptus and subabul trees. Subabul wood is most widely used now. Besides wood, a number of chemicals like common salt and Caustic soda are also used in the different stages of paper making. Scrap paper is also recycled in paper mills. Factories use heavy machinery that is run on electricity. For example, the paper mill shown in the figure 11.1 requires nearby 25 megawatts of electricity. Every year, more than half of the electricity requirement is met through the factories own power generators. Besides electricity, the mill requires a large quantity of clean water throughout the year. Paper mills and disappearance of bamboo. Although raw materials for paper is available in the forest, it is not very easy to produce. Paper mills are generally established near forests where bamboo and other softwood trees are available. Paper mills engage contractors to supply bamboo and other raw material. A few decades ago, contractors employed tribal people like those living in Pengolu Hills. You read about in class 6 to cut bamboo from forests. Due to excessive cutting in the past, there are no bamboo tree available in the forest near the paper mills now. Hence, these mills are looking for alternative raw materials like subabul trees which are grown in villages. This led the government to encourage people to grow subabul trees on farmland. Nowadays, paper mills bring wood from distant places.
See, why again here? Okay. Nowadays, paper mills bring wood from distant places. Why places? Why you are dragging it? Avoid it. Okay, thank you. And you have to practice. Okay. So children, as I am instructing to the offering, you also should not drag the words. Dragging the words is very occurred. Okay. English we should not read like that. Okay, na? So you also develop your reading skill, children. So here, production in a factory, a paper mill. Handicraft production is done at home by small families with the help of some simple tools. In contrast, factories production goods on a large scale with the help of machines and a large number of workers. Let us find out how production is organized in a large factories. So in the handicraft production will done into the home only and it is done with the simple tools. But in the factories, the goods production will be the goods production will be in the large scale and with the help of the machines and group of workers, large number of workers it will be take place. Have you ever visited any factory? Describe it. They asked the question. Draw a picture of the factory you visited and using your imagination describe the activities inside a factory in 300 words. So this you have to write your own basis or take the help of the study material also. In that they given the answer, children. Afterwards you have to complete this work. I will give it to the homework part. Okay, now we use so much of paper in our day-to-day lives. Do you know how is the paper found in books? Records, registers, progress reports and newspapers made. There are two paper mills in Telangana. Sirpur, Kagaz Nagar. It is located in the Komarabim district. And another is Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri districts. So in our Telangana there are two paper mills. One is in the Sirpur Kagaznagar in the Komravim district, and another is Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri districts. So here again given the question, make the two districts in a map, Telangana. Why do you think are they located there? So you have to find this two districts in the Telangana map they told you, and why do you think are they located there? So I will read the answer. You have to listen, children. Okay, take the Telangana outline map and you have to locate that two districts in the Telangana outline map. So first question, what they ask children for you? Have you ever visited any factory? Describe it, they told you. So answer you have to write like this, children. Yes, once I have visited Modern Beats. It is a leading braid manufacturing company. There I have seen the process of bread making. First part is the mixing the flour. There is a huge mixer which they need to put sacks of flour. It is itself adds water and salt, and then it is mixed. When it is mixed well, it is taken and kept on a tray which has a hole like opening at one end. Through this, the dough is pressed. Outside it, there is a blade which cuts the dough into a long pieces equal to that of a packet of bread. These pieces are then put on a conveyor belt which takes it through a furnace. The bread is baked in it. Once it comes out of it, another blade set cuts it into slices. These slices are then put into covers and packed. Human interferences is basically only at the 2 points to put flour into the mixer and to remove the packed breads. So another all work will be done by the machines only, children. Okay na? So this is the one machine processed work we wrote here. Draw a picture of the factory. They told you that you have to do on your own basis or take the help of your study material. Make the two districts in a map of Telangana. Why do you think they are located there? They asked you. So answer you have to write like this. The two paper mills are located in the districts of Telangana are Sipur, Kagaznagar, Komravim districts, Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri. Okay, Bhadradri districts, Kottagudem district. Okay. Bhadradri means Kottagudem. They are located there because of the following reasons. What are the reasons, children? Paper mills need wood. Paper mills need wood. The forests are very near. To the above places. They supply wood. The forests are very near above the places. Which places? Kagaznagar and this Bhadrachalam. There are many forests are there. So for the paper making process we need wood. So these forests will be supplied them wood to make the papers. That's why they located there. Paper mills need sufficient water also. Paper mills need sufficient water also. Rivers are flowing in the above paper industries places, and the many rivers are flowing above paper industries. There is adequate supply of skilled and unskilled labor also. So next we will read here raw materials for the paper. What types of raw materials required for the preparing papers we'll see. The material required to produce a commodity is called raw material. What is a raw material? Okay. What is a raw material? Question will be asked for you. What is raw material? Okay, what is raw material? So answers what you will write, children. Okay, so you write the answer. The material required to produce. The material required to produce. produce a commodity is a commodity is a commodity is a commodity okay, commodity is raw material. So question will be asked from you. What is raw material? So what answer you will write, children? The material required to produce a commodity is raw material. Like this answer you have to write. Okay na? So next, factories require a large quantity and a continuous supply of raw material. Factories require a large quantity and continuously supply of raw material. Then only the production will be done into the factories. You will find dozens of lorries supplying raw materials to factories every day. You will find dozens of lorries are supplying raw material to the factories every day. Paper mills generally use wood from bamboo. Paper mills are generally use wood from bamboo, eucalyptus and subabul trees. These paper mills are using the woods of which trees, children? Bamboo or eucalyptus or subabul. Subabul wood is most widely used now. Subabul wood is mostly used now in its present time in the paper mill to produce the paper. Besides wood, a number of chemicals like common salt and caustic soda are also used in the different stages of paper making. Scrap paper is also recycled in paper mills. So scrap paper also again recycled in the paper mill and will make the new paper here. And what chemicals are used in the paper mill? Caustic soda and common salt is using. Factories use a heavy machinery that is run on electricity. For example, the paper mill shown in the figure number 11.1. 11.1 figure, see children. Okay, that they shown you one paper mill. In the 11.1 picture, they shown the paper mill figure. Okay, you have to see that they told you. Okay, so 11.1. I think here the printing mistake, children. Okay. In figure 11.1 requires nearly 25 megawatts. So not 11.1, children. I think they show the paper mill here. 9.1 factory from outside this is. Okay. 9.1 factory from outside. See, this is a paper mill factory. Here the printing mistake came, children. Not figure 11.1. So they instead of 9.1 they printed in 11.1. So you have to recorrect that. You have to see the picture number 9.1 factory from outside. This is a paper mill factory. So look from the outside. Okay. And 9.2 lorries waiting which bamboo loads are bringing. Okay. And in the paper figure number 9.3 bamboo lifter are there. Okay. Bamboo lifters are there. See how they are lifting the bamboo with the cranes from the lorry. Okay. So now what they told here means these for example the paper mill requires nearly 25 megawatts of electricity. The paper mills require how much quantity of electricity? 25 megawatts electricity requires the paper mill every day to produce the paper. More than half of the electricity requirement is met through the factory's own paper generators. Beside electricity, the mill requires a large quantity of clean water throughout the year. And what more the paper mill is required? The clean water. Okay, clean water throughout the year the paper mill is required, and 25 megawatts electricity per day the paper mill is required. Okay. Now next is paper mills and disappearance of bamboo. We will see why the bamboos are going to disappearance. Okay, and how the paper mills are going to see. Although raw material from paper is available in the forest, it is not very easy to produce. Paper mills are generally established near forest where bamboo and other softwood trees are available. Usually the paper mills are established near the forest areas only, because for the paper need the wood. And what type of the wood they require? They require the soft type of wood, bamboo or eucalyptus or subabul. Okay, that's why these mills are established near the forest areas only. Paper mills engage contractors to supply bamboo and other raw materials. A few decades ago, contractors employed tribal people like those living in Pengolu Hills you read about in the class 6 to cut bamboo from forest. Due to excessive cutting in the past, there are no bamboo trees available in forest near the paper mills now. So the excessive use of the paper, so bamboo trees are vanishing into the forest. Excessive use of paper and excessive production of the paper, they used the bamboos. Now they are not finding the bamboo trees in the forest. The bamboo trees are disappearance. Hence these mills are looking for alternative raw materials like subabul trees, which are grown in villages. So now these mills are searching the other alternative wood to preparing the paper. So they are now using the subabul trees. Okay, those which are growing into the villages, they are using the subabul trees. This led the government to encourage people to grow subabul trees on farmland. That's why the government or the government is now encouraging the villagers to grow the subabul trees in the farmland. Okay, so it will be sold to gives money to the villagers. The villagers can earn the money by growing the subabul tree is the farmland, and they have to sold to that the paper mills, and they will pay the money to the villagers. So government is encouraging the villagers now grow the subabul trees in the farmlands. Nowadays, paper mills bring wood from distant places. So here given 3 questions. First you do the silent reading, children. Now here they given 3 question answers. What are the most important raw materials required for the paper industry? Okay. Would you consider electricity as a raw material? Give reasons. Discuss with your teacher a few mills of factories you know about and fill in the table they told you. Okay. So see here. What are the most important raw materials required for the paper industry? I am reading, you listen, and afterwards you write in the classroom. So answer is softwood. Softwood trees like bamboo, eucalyptus, subabul. Chemicals like common salt, caustic soda, etc. And electricity and water is required. These are the raw materials required to the paper mills. Would you consider electricity as a raw material? Give reasons. Answer is paper is produced with the help of huge machines. They need electricity to work. Without that, production of paper is impossible. So electricity also is a raw material for the paper mill. Now they told here, discuss with your teacher a few mills or factories you know about and fill in the table. So this table I will give on the board, children. You have to write in the classroom. Okay, now. Okay, so first you have to write the serial number. Let me draw the table children. We write here serial number, products, name of industry, write serial number, product, name of industry, raw material. Okay, so write here serial number 1, shoe and chappal. Shoe or chappal. Footwear industry. Footwear industry. Footwear industry. Leather, rubber and canvas are the raw material. Leather, rubber, canvas are the raw material. So this is one factory. So another factory, second you write here. Pickle. Food processing industry. Food processing industry. Vegetable and oils required. Vegetables and oils required. Now third one, write a table. Table making industries. Furniture industries. Furniture industry. This is wood and iron required. Wood and iron. Pot, clay industry, clay industry, clay industry, clay and water wheel, clay and water. Next you write sugar, sugar industry, sugar industry. You have to raw material required is sugar cane. Write this table in the classwork. So we will discuss the further topic. Okay, na? So draw nicely this table. Sugar cane, children, you have to write here. Sugar cane. E. K means C-A-N-E, cane should be. E should be right here. Okay, neatly. So children, today we will stop here only. So remaining part of the lesson we will see into the next session. Write your Sakshi like this. Sakshi. Sakshi write. Subject write. Social studies. Social. Class you write. 7th class. And HW you write. Learn and write question answers from lesson 9 textbook page number. Lesson 9 textbook page number 80, 86, 87, 88. 86, 87, 88 in HW 1 time. PS. Okay. Do the given homework in a time and send to the school mail ID, children. Don't keep any pending works. Okay, na? So we will meet another parts of remaining part of this lesson chapter in another session. Until then, bye bye, children.